Hello everyone, this is one Western Digital undetected hard drive, and we see the family is Apollo. So we have disabled the module 411. Now we have access to the firmware error. Right now we need to, for this family, and we can try to clear the module, the checklist. Okay, so this is the module 36. Now we have cleared this module, and we have also checked the module 2, and we fixed the module 2 problem 2. Okay, so this is the last special module which might be damaged and get this drive undetected. So right now I can try to enable the module 411 and execute, and then we can check the status of the patient drive. Now let's see. Okay, so the drive has been detected properly. Now we have perfectly fixed the firmware issue, and we go to the hex, and we can check the data arrow LBA sector 0. Okay, so we can see the hex data is here. That means the drive has been fixed. And at this time we can go to the DFL DDP to check all the lost data. So this is the DDP, and we can try to scan the lost partitions and see. So the lost partition has been found back. Click yes. Save selected. Okay, so all the lost data have been available for data recovery.